back with another video. As y'all can see by the title, as y'all can see now, we finna go on a drive in a SS Camaro, a tuned SS Camaro, POV drive. So here y'all go, man. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, bro. It is a Thursday, pretty day today. Ain't got nothing going on. I'm using his car today. He used my car to go to work, so we might as well get a video in with the SS Camaro 10 speed. So you know, a lot of y'all like these cars and a lot of y'all don't. So this is not a Mopar, this is a Chevy. So let's see what this about. We're gonna be cruising today. Don't feel like speeding early this morning because this car loud as fuck. As y'all can see, when the video first started, the car do have dumps. Some of y'all probably don't know what dumps is, but if you don't, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. I already put the car in track mode. Gonna turn the traction off and give y'all a little POV drive today. Gonna have to stop and go get gas, but yeah, man. If you watching now, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, bro. We almost at 3,000 subscribers and we almost monetized, so make sure y'all watch the full video. Watch the full video, man. Look at this, bro. How much Mopar and Scatpacks and Hellcats are? I think they should have something like this, or you know what I'm saying, lightning. Like y'all see the lights on the door, like Chevy, like they interior look a little better than me. It's just smaller, but the interior is better. They got the screen on a fucking rear mirror, like you can turn it off, you can turn it on and off. But that's hard though. I think Mopar should have did some shit like that, or like something, because them bitches just look the same and then in the inside. I heard that backfire. After we get from around these neighborhoods and stuff, I'm gonna roll down the windows and I'm gonna see what they got. Oh, y'all heard them pops. Like this bitch, I ain't gonna cap, bro, this bitch fast as fuck, but I don't know if I would be like comfortable and just happy enough to own one of these and drive one of these daily. It's cool, but it's small as fuck. You feel like I'm just in a little box. That's why I'm finna get me a next car, y'all. I don't know if y'all know it now, but I'm looking at them Hellcat Chargers, either a Widebody or a slim body. It really doesn't matter. It just have to be low miles and almost a new year, like a 2020 or 2019. This fucking car going slow as fuck. This bitch cool, boy. Turn that out. It actually feel good as fuck out here today. How y'all been, man? We ain't have a little POV drive in a little minute. Y'all haven't, bro, make sure y'all go watch that the video I just posted recently, the one right before this one. We did a car meet down here where I stay. I had made a car meet, and it came out as a success, bro. I ain't know all them people's gonna show up, bro. I ain't gonna lie, man. I'm gonna need some, like, next time I do some shit like that, I'm gonna need somebody to record for me or find somebody to record for me, because they just had too much going on to me, like, for me to be rare about picking up a camera, because they had a lot of stuff going on. So I didn't get a lot of things on camera because of the simple fact they had a lot of stuff going on. So it's all good though. We still got something. Video was 20 minutes long, so you know what I'm saying, it's still good. But I might drop this tomorrow. I just dropped the video last night, I think, so you know. Somebody else gonna call me. Like, can't never record. Like every time I pick up the camera, somebody wanna call me. And when I don't pick up the camera, nobody calls me. I gotta up my game up. Oh, you flipping us out? Oh shit, Swole flipping us out. Hey, it better be for the camera here. Whoop your motherfucking ass. Oh yeah, you remember you want to flip us out? This is just for the ass whooping up. Come here. Come on, just for the video. Hey, you think old dude shit running for real now? Oh, Mustang thumbhead. I don't know. I ain't even get him right. Yeah, boy. If he can't beat you, no, he can't beat you, boy. See, I can't wait when you just like the Hellcat just gonna be. Come on, man. What you trying to do, bro? Come on, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. What you got going on there, bitch? Turned off? I'm scared. Fuck no. Shit, shit. Oh! They better get the fuck out the way. Oh! Gonna get him right. Oh! Come here trying to do nothing. You'll never think they been cam while it's just rolling like that. Oh shit! God damn, boy! Fuck! That motherfucker scooting. Oh shit! I hear him. Yeah, we playing that gangster shit. Man, fuck the police, you hear that shit?
Have them still alive, they cause I'm fat, taste like ribs. I'm up in the mountain with the rest of these rookies. You out here selling them dimes, bitch, I'm out here selling them cookies. I'm flying out of town, get them things for 12 hours. 404 ounces. Pyrex dishes in the motherfucking kitchen. Word around town, Mr. Big got them chickens. That nigga bought a house. They know about the beers in the Black Pathfinder. They know about the vacation trip I took to town. They know about the whole I was fucking and candy. First she got busted with a bird in Tallahassee. And now they trying to say that the air alone. 1, 2, 3. That's on me. Thinking soups and bulletproofs is still told. I pack my shit cause it's time for me to go. Fuck, I'm glad they wouldn't. Fuck, I would have never hit that bitch. They wouldn't fucking with me.
Alright, they gonna fuck with dummy. I'm gonna do that 1, 2, 3. Come on up and dump. That's me. Shit. Let me shit on his own. Let me shit on his own. Man, try that out. I mean, try that.
V-Red's going too hard though.